You can see it here good now, but it'll brighten it up big time. Floor, leaving it the same. Might sand it, might not. Just a lot of work. Depends on how I'm feeling. Not worried about the floor like that. Might just paint it gray. But all right, let's get this bagged up. Appreciate y'all coming on this journey with us, man. Like I said, we're still traveling. This is another phase, something that we're adding in where we're not traveling. Then we're just showing y'all, you know, what we do every day. It's entrepreneurship, and you know, yeah, entrepreneurship, black entrepreneurship to be specific. Just trying to motivate our people. We love all people. But our people need motivation. Our people need to be, you know, at least seeing some positive role models and some people like themselves doing positive things. So, going out of camera to check the time. Let's get this swept up, and we'll call it a day. So yeah, like I said, got this from my boy. Just be real with y'all. Sometimes I don't put numbers out there, but I could put these numbers out. Basically $800. He was gonna scrap it. They was gonna give him about close to that maybe because it has so much weight. Decided to give it to me. So and like I said, it runs. It got 149,000 miles and stuff. GMC Express van in the front with a cut-off box truck in the back. So pretty much a van engine and cab. 35. It's a 3500, 5.7 engine. Sounds good. Sounds real good. So to me, it seems like just my little bit of cars that I know, you know, that is worth investing in. So that's what we're gonna do. So taking y'all on the journey. We got the last video I showed y'all. I didn't show y'all how dirty that front was, but I showed y'all how it looks now. I'm gonna clean it even more. I'm gonna clean this even more. This is where we are so far. We got the mechanic coming this weekend to check out the transmission. He might even fix it. And also this door is really stuck. So the mechanic coming to fix it, getting this puppy on the road will be another video. I'll have another video walking around again and starting it up. We'll have another video showing how it looks after we paint it. So I'm gonna take y'all on this journey. Holla me Africa. We out.